Hi Aries, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can check and watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. And nakakakuha kayo ng mga dagdag na mensahe para sa inyo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Aries. Tingnan natin ano yung mga paparating na energies and messages for you. Ano yung mga guidance or gabay for Aries. Aries. Mga paparating na energies and messages for Aries. Mga gabay or guidance for Aries. Yeah, for some of you, merong stalemate or walang action. Okay? When it comes to your emotions or emotional relationship, okay? You are focusing on your job, in your work, in creating a career or building a career. Creating something para sa sarili. Tingnan natin. Aries. Okay. Tingnan natin ano yung Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups for Aries. Ano to? Okay. Ace of Cups. Four of Wands. Okay. Happy home life. Very supportive ang inyong family or ang inyong partner. Okay? There is joy and contentment in your life right now. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, merong bagong bahay. Okay? There is a celebration or marriage. Yeah. Ano tong Four of Wands, please? Okay. Yeah, for some, you are very contented sa buhay mo ngayon. Okay? May mga blessings and support from your loved ones. Wow, Ace of Pentacles. There is a new beginning for you. Okay? Big money, new contracts, new job or new career na may offer sa inyo. That's why you are very blessed. You feel blessed. Aries. Tingnan natin. Two of Swords. Anong meron sa Two of Swords? Seven of Pentacles. Meron kayong desisyon na kailangan gawin. Maybe an investment. Okay. Or maybe you are purchasing something which is siguro something na mahal or pricey. Okay, pinag-iisipan ninyo. Or sa ngayon parang pinagpapaliban. Okay, you are not taking action. But you will be making a decision for some of you. Strength. Okay, parang meron pa kayong inaantay na something. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, you are parang you are gathering strength, no? Before you make a decision. Maybe this is a relationship na nag-aantay ng inyong aksyon or cooperation. Something like that, so that it will be able to grow. Yeah. Okay. Or maybe maybe you are dealing with a Leo. Someone is waiting for your decision. Okay. In order for things to move forward in your relationship. Okay. King of Pentacles. Bakit may King of Pentacles? Eight of Pentacles. Okay, you are working very hard. Okay? Kung ano, or yung inyong hard work or skilled work, nagkaroon na ng resulta. Okay? Or will be rewarded. You are being smart. Okay? You have the Midas touch. Yung iba sa inyo, merong offer about work. Accept it confidently. It will be successful. Okay? Yeah, Six of Wands. Yeah, kung meron kayong business, it is doing well. Okay? It is successful. It is victorious. Yeah, for some of you, you will be achieving or you will be recognized, okay? Makikilala ka sa inyong ginagawa. Okay? Na magaling ka sa inyong trabaho, sa inyong skills. You have the ability to make things successful. Okay? Aries. Four of Wands. Tingnan natin kung ano itong Four of Wands. Yeah, for some of you, you are very proud of yourself. Merong contentment and joy. Achievements, okay? Sa career. Yeah, for some of you, you are letting go of the past. Past relationship or past disappointments. You are letting go of it. That's why you feel happy now, okay? You have regained the strength to move forward. There is stability in your situation right now. Mapatrabaho man yan or sa career, kaperahan. Knight of Cups. Someone wants to offer you marriage. Okay, taking action. Maybe there will be a proposal na mangyayari. Aries. King of Cups. King of Cups. Okay. Knight of Cups and King of Cups. Yes. Level up ang inyong emosyon, ang inyong relationship with someone, okay? Yeah, maybe someone will be expressing or you will be offering you marriage, okay? Yeah, they want to secure your love, Aries, okay? Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest pag hindi para sa inyo. Knight of Cups again. There is an expression of love or feelings. Someone wants to propose. Knight of Cups. The Tower. This is something unexpected. Okay? Hindi mo inaasahan. Okay? Para nabulabog ang inyong singlehood. And now you will be making a decision about it. Aries. Yeah, Ten of Cups. Yeah. You will be making a decision to get married. That is for some of you. Are you going to accept it? Or not? So you are making a wise choice. A smart choice. You are making a decision about a relationship. Intimate relationship, Aries. The Lovers, ano ito? Ten of Pentacles. Wow. Legacy. Family. Yeah, Five of Cups. Yeah, okay. Maybe for some of you, tinitingnan mo pa kung ano pa yung mga yeah, for some of you, you are sad or you feel sad that you will be getting married. Okay. or someone in or a family member will be sad if ever magpapakasal kayo, okay? Dahil mawawala yung stability. Most especially sa finances, maapektuhan ang stability ng finances with the family if you're going to get married, okay? This is for some of you. Okay, this is a specific one, no? Okay, just take what resonates for you. Yeah. Or ikaw to, Aries. Parang nalulungkot ka at dahil ikaw ay magpapakasal na, something like that, okay? But there is a energy of family here, concern, marriage, proposal, okay? Or proposal pa lang. Okay? What is the death? Bakit may death for Aries? Three of Cups. Ten of Wands. Okay? So, there will be a transformation, a new life, okay? A new beginning for you. There will be a celebration. A celebration, announcement of weddings, okay? Or happy events. Okay? The end of burden or sufferings for some of you. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, there is a successful ending of something. Okay. The ending of a cycle. Maybe an ending of singlehood for some of you. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you need to take time. Take time to stop and reflect about sa transformation na mangyayari sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. Four of Cups. Tingnan natin, ano tong Four of Cups? Justice. Tingnan natin. Yeah, Six of Cups and Justice. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, merong magre-reflect, okay, reflection of kung ano nangyari dati, okay? Someone is thinking about apologizing ng someone ng inyong nakaraan, okay? Yeah. Kung meron mang hindi pagkakaunawaan before or emotional distance before, magkakaroon ng pag-aayos. Okay? Aries. May pag-aayos na mangyayari sa inyo, Aries, in your relationship or with a past person. Okay? Or maybe someone in your past merong discontentment sa part niya. Okay? And gusto niyang itama kung anong pagkakamali niya before sa inyo. Okay? Tingnan natin, Judgment. There is a new direction for you. Merong self-assessment. Okay? About sa nangyayari sa buhay ninyo ngayon. Okay? Yeah, Two of Wands. Okay? New direction. Expansion for you. Planning for the future. Okay? Merong bagong direction sa buhay ninyo. You will be expanding. May mga plans kayong naiisip. Oh, Two of Cups. Yeah. Maybe this is a new life for you. Pag-iisang dibdib. Yeah. And you are looking forward to it. Okay, Aries. New direction in life. Two. Partnership. Okay. Closeness. Yeah. There is a union na mangyayari and you are looking forward to it. Okay? New direction in life. Okay? Wow. Tingnan natin. Additional message for Aries. Additional message for Aries. Fertility. It is time to think about family, life, and children. Don't sacrifice family for career. Okay. Partnership. Joining forces with business partners for win-win cooperation. Prioritize your connections. And last, wealth. You are moving towards real wealth and prosperity. Keep up the great work. Okay. Additional message from angels for Aries. Deservingness. You are a beloved child of God like everyone else, and you deserve to receive the support that will allow you to focus upon your divine life purpose. Even if you cannot yet recognize your lovable qualities, trust that God and the angels can see how amazing you truly are. Okay? So these are the messages for you, Aries. All the best. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!